workers from the United States' Environmental Services were seen wearing full hazardous material suits, complete with gas masks, while recovering some of the dead birds. Such images have led some to speculate that the shocking occurrence could be related to some kind of secretive governmental testing, presumably tied to biological warfare or exotic weaponry.
I thought it was out of an Albert Hitchcock movie.
When you first get the call, you think it's a New Year's joke, but it wasn't a joke.
I thought the mayor was messing with me when he called me. He got me up at 4 o'clock in the morning and told me he had birds falling out of the sky.
I'm not sure what's going on, but the end of it needs to be the name of the song. Can't be sure of the reason, but they serving up death with plenty of seasons. I did the research, and what did I find? Negativity still on the grind, with mean Uncle Sam playing tricks on my mind. So I searched in the history book, and little did I know it was written by crooks. Now getting back to the matter at hand, dead birds in the bush and fish on the sand. One kind of bird and one kind of fish sounds like a weapon that could not miss. Now the mayor of BB Arkansas thought he made a fool of us all, blaming birds that falling out the sky on a fireworks show that flew too high. We know the Army Corps of Engineers tested a weapon they developed for years.
Birds falling out the sky. 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 Did you see the birds falling out the sky? Did you see the birds falling out the sky? Birds falling out the sky. Birds falling out the sky. Birds falling out the sky.
Bring your children to me, dissect metabolics, change communities, alter chemically. I got the pills, we can find disease. The money's in the treatment, not the cure. Uncut, this shit is 100% pure. Steroids, Ritalin, psychotropic, and triptyline. Let's make sure they little systems never get clean. Trust in me, I'm with the Medicaid. Not having to pay is a parent's saving grace. Modern day slavery smiles through a different face. Childhood asthma, birth defects, and tumors. Conspiracy theories, I'm beginning to believe these ugly rumors. Unaffordable medical becomes a greater avenue. Testing effects and potencies, weaponries, a more mind-altering, functionless me. Below the surface, a greater evil I see. A Zoloft and Prozac bipolarizing death of his whole family. Death by the hands of the man they call daddy. The mothers that murder their children, their own seed. Let's pull medical records, let's follow the breed. Anxiety, dissociative disorder increase. Testing for capabilities to control the deceased. After writing this shit, it's liable to be me.
Tests all in the skies, got chemtrail dust all in me eyes. I see this and I wonder why most of us are too busy getting high, while the evil ones from the other side will stop at nothing till we all have died. Try to fight this, but my soldiers are blind. It's the same old story time after time. Chemicals tested on US soil got me so heated, I'm ready to boil. I went to the doctor, I said, what's the deal? The sick son of a gun tried to give me a pill. Nowadays, the most adolescents are on muscle relaxers and antidepressants. Got them doped up and ready to slaughter. Got rat poison in our drinking water. You call it fluoride, some call it crest, but it calcifies the brain till no soul is left. They must have thought you didn't learn nothing in school, because the average citizen is treated like a fool. You thought that was deep? Well, hold your breath, cause you ain't heard nothing yet. Underground military bases, making plans in the wickedest of places. Politicians planning poisonous plots. Leave, look back, and you look like Lot, with a wife that they turned to a pillar of salt.
You know, for the New Year's, or it could have been it's a sign of the times, an omen or something. And they think it's shit. I don't know. Are you scared? Let me know. Tell me what you think about it. It's your boy Big Tex. Hey, we was great in 08. It was fine in 09. Trying to win in 10. We all going to heaven in 11.
Below two reports on the surprising incidents. Workers from the United States Environmental Services were seen wearing full hazardous material suits, complete with gas masks, while recovering some of the dead birds. Such images have led some to speculate that the shocking occurrence could be related to some kind of secretive governmental testing, presumably tied to biological warfare or exotic weaponry.